How to manage products in Xero. Need to manage products in Xero? Here's the easy guide to track items, track inventory, and when to use integrations. So from the dashboard, head over to sales and then select product and services. This is where you add and manage the items. So for simple services or usable product details, add and track item, enter name, description, price, and tax rate. These speed up invoicing but don't track stock. So for physical goods, choose track inventory, enter item code, cost price, sales price, and accounts. Xero records stock quantities and cost of goods sold automatically. Monitor stock levels and margins in real time. Xero updates inventory when you buy or sell items. For advanced needs like raw materials manufacturing or FIFO costing, connect Xero to inventory apps such as Deer, Unleash, or Scene7. Use and track items for services, track inventory for stock control, and integrations for complex operations. Xero scales with your business needs.